today. Beautiful day over here in Porterville 2. Thank you, Debbie. Debbie's been over here carrying some brush around, and we got an old couch out of here. A bunch of crap. I have a feeling there's some cooner living in here. Looks like some old McDonald's seats in here. This used to be a corn crib, it looks like. I was thinking about this. I might be able to make a chicken coop out of part of this. Pretty wet out here. I've been cleaning this whole area here up. Thinking maybe putting some potatoes or something out here. I don't know if we'll get enough sun once the trees all bud, but I might make this partially like the driveway and move a garden over this way. I worry about running over these nails once I start pulling this apart. Don't want to get a flat little skid steer. Yeah, this is pretty wet here. I've only got that stuck once, so I had to hook onto it, or Debbie actually pulled me out with a truck. Some pretty good old tin on that roof. We probably should try to see if I could sell it to somebody trying to build a chicken coop. I've got some around over there at Porterville 1, and a lot of people always want to buy it. You can get more than scrap for it. See if we can find any treasures in here. A lot of this we're going to just start hauling to the garbage every week. These little McDonald's tables. Or them benches. Maybe them are the benches, looks like. Another mess to clean up. Hear the crickets? Or them frogs. Maybe they're frogs. See what kind of scrap. There's some side rack for somebody's trucks. A little bit of junk through the wood, but mostly garbage, type garbage. We got a lot of water in the ditches all around here. There's a little pond over there. That'll be going to the garbage. We'll knock that out of there in that circuit board. Little tidbits of good stuff around it. Yeah, I decided I may as well knock that building down right where I was out here. Start getting rid of some of this stuff. Make use of some of this stuff. Make use of all these barrels. Make little handles and put trash in them, or cut this wood up. I'll burn that for good starter wood or campfire wood or something. So we got this old camper out back. I was out there working on that. I started out. I got the wheel up here behind the van. I'm gonna see if we can sell that. We put it on the computer before. We had a bunch of people was wanting to buy it, but they all said they was homeless, and I didn't want them to think the property come with it. So we told them we're gonna put the tires on it and take it over to one and sell it over there. I don't want somebody to pay for it and not get it out of here. Some kind of critters living down there. Yeah, I might put a shed in this area. I've been kind of collecting stuff to build a shed. I've got different stuff around. I could build just a small shed. 10 by 14, keep Debbie's money in. Debbie's laughing. Well, here we are over here in Pourville. It's almost like it's time for a coffee break. I used a skid steer to lift that camper up. I got in there where I didn't do any damage to it and got this tire off there. It was kind of low to get a jack under. So if I can get this cleaned up and get it to seal air. I actually checked them today. I aired them up a while ago. They were a little low, but I think somebody buys it, I can tell them it'll hold air for a day or two. I'll probably pull it up here and we'll clean it all out, and then we'll take it over to one and get it out of here before we get some of the aliens trying to move in it or something. I guess I can say that it's politically correct. For me it is. Hope everybody's having a good day. Thanks for stopping by Pourville.
Goodbye, everyone.
Debbie said goodbye. Have a good day. What a mouse. Again. Goodbye.